Welcome back to my channel. This is Solomon again, and I'm about to review another platform called moibreeding.com. Okay, so this is another platform just like the others. What do they do? We are going to find out in a short while. So let's just go ahead. Like I always like to do. Let's go check out the period at which this site was registered so that we know how legit it is. Okay, so I'm just going to paste the URL here so that we see it. Okay, so it was registered using NameSilo LLC. That's the name of the domain providers. Okay, and you can see they claim they're also from Phoenix, Arizona. This is what I say. If you check sometimes, like the last video I dropped, it's possible that it's even the same people running this thing. You get, like, this was registered on the 2030, that's 2023. Now let me mention something here. For the fact that the company even shows that they were registered on the 2023 is it October, doesn't mean that is actually when they started operation, because some platforms do is they buy already existing sites. Do you understand? So when they buy already existing sites, they come and tell you they've been existing for 5 years, for 3 years, for 10 years. No, it's possible that the site was used before for something else, then maybe the owner stopped the whatever he was doing, and then he decided to keep put it up for sale, and they bought it. Because people trust older sites. Anything online, the older the better. You understand? So it's possible that this was registered 2023, but it actually commenced operation maybe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. So I'm just saying it. I'm not saying that's actually the case of this one, but I'm just saying that it's possible. Okay, so now that we've seen this, let's proceed to the site. So this is the website. This is actually supposed to be the homepage, but as you can see, no homepage. You don't even know who is behind it. You don't know where the company is and all that. But let's just go ahead and try registering. So one way you know a fake site is you use fake details. Can you imagine? You use fake details and it will go through. Okay, so let me just create a fake password. I always like to use ABC123. Okay, then let's check out 2231. This one no email self. Let's just go Koi, success. So no time. So look at it. The company's feed machine is all this rubbish buying platform and the rest. Just invest. Ladies and gentlemen, how you know a Ponzi scheme? The first sign is to check out what they are doing. In most cases, a Ponzi scheme's mode of operation is not clear. They just tell you they are into real estate, they are into trading, they are into mining. They are all lies. You need to check out what they are doing. In this case, you can see it's just pure rubbish. Now they will keep telling you these are like motivation. This person recharge this person recharge this. And again, if you've been following my videos, there's something I always point out. I said there is a particular template that these people buy. I'm telling you that it's the same people that have been running all these kind of schemes. Look at the buttons. You will always see recharge. That's the term they use for deposit. Recharge. Then you see withdraw. Then you may see my or me. Can you see it here? Me and down. Then you can see team. You can see what is the company about? We don't know. But look at what they say. So product price, FF13, all these things, they just make it up. Product price is 13,500 and you'll be making 1.5. So that's 100 naira a day. Okay, 100 for 100 days. Okay, total income you'll be making is about, you can see, is that 150,000 or so. Okay, and then if you invite anybody, you make 1,350. So you can see these people know and understand how human psychology works. They know how to tap into your greed. They know how to tap into our greed, and they know that if they tell you come in with this amount, just start small, you see it and you actually see that they are working. Now what mistake people make is they say let's just start small and see if it's working. Ladies and gentlemen, Ponzi schemes always pay. So even if you start small, you will actually put in your money and they will pay you. Then by the time you go and remove that big money is when they will actually go. I've met a lot of people that were not fortunate like that it happened to them, that the moment they actually just put in big, that was when they ran away. So let's look at it now. So I'm even trying to know what we're supposed to do here. Okay, so what's the tax? Okay, so now let's go to this me. Okay, so this is my order. What are we ordering? Now another thing you need to understand is, I'm sure if you talk to them now, they will say they are a US based company, but the question is, what is a US based company doing with naira? Has anybody asked themselves that? How are they able to collect naira? Meanwhile, this is a US company, a so-called US company. Okay, let's try saying, okay, find account. Please ignore all this rubbish, ignore all these things. These guys know what they are doing, and they know what you are looking out for. So they'll keep coming with at you with this. Okay, I just want to see the price of recharging. Okay, they actually have a recharging of 4.5. Okay, so let's attempt. So recharge method Moi pack 1. Okay, recharge. Let's see. Okay, we are taking us to the payment processor. Oh, can you see what I'm saying? We are paying to an individual account. We are paying to an individual in the name of Pay Now Cashier. Guys, you should be able to figure this thing out. We are paying to Ibrahim Yakubu. This is his number. Can you imagine that? and somebody will willingly carry his money to go and pay to this guy. Like, we didn't need to check this out. Waiting concern US company with Ibrahim Yakubu, for goodness sake. Can you imagine that? So once you do, you come and click on I've made payment, then you type your name, let me say George Akila, and then you click, then they will confirm, and they will give you, they will now show you, they will now confirm it, you understand? Then maybe you will now see your recharge. Then it's in most cases your earnability will increase. If you were only making $200 maybe 100 naira a day, it will now increase, understand? These people have programmed it already. They know how your grade works, and they have designed their platforms to suit your grade that you will not even know. You will just be rushing it, and you know, by the time you do your first withdrawal, you go to your bank, and go and get that your savings that you have, and go and invest in it. Please and please, we need to be wise. Don't be giving all these people your money. Look at what is this Bowman picture doing here? Is to just prime your minds to believe that they're actually far. Please, if you would like to be saving your money, feel free to subscribe to this channel, as I keep dropping and busting out all these people's rubbish that they're doing. Okay, so look at their packages. We have the chicken. I think if you want to rent a chicken or so, rental is 4.5. It works for 35 days, and it's going to pay you 280 naira for 35 days. You see, so you know, the bigger the better. Now see, these people don't even have, okay, you can imagine. So I think it's a poultry house or something. I don't even understand. Okay, this is for pork now. If you want pork, so what they do is they just go and look for a company that already exists, and then they try to copy their mode. Look at all these things. Please don't mind all these people. What you should look at is the process of how they claim to be getting their money. In this case, all they're doing is depositing money and withdrawing. You're not doing anything, and for that reason, you know that this is just nothing but a Ponzi scheme. Okay, so please, again, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel, so that you can be able to get the value of me busting out all these myths, and save your money, and also that of other people you care about. Okay, if you know anybody who is probably arguing or thinking this is real, feel free to send him the video, and I'll see you on the next one.